Watchgpt, what is it? How to use ChatGPT on Apple Watch. Here's how to use ChatGPT on your Apple Watch. Watchgpt is the app that brings ChatGPT to Apple Watch. Here's how to use it on your Apple Watch. ChatGPT quickly rose to fame and was one of the most talked about technology recently. It is one of the fastest tools to reach 100 million users. Many of us are hooked to ChatGPT and are looking for more ways to access it on our devices. As ChatGPT isn't available on smartphones, we use a browser to access it there. Some apps that use ChatGPT API to bring the ChatGPT experience to your smartphones are also available. These apps use ChatGPT API, which OpenAI recently opened to developers worldwide. Using this API, many apps have started to bring ChatGPT to more devices. Now, a new app is available for Apple Watch named Watchgpt, which brings ChatGPT to Apple Watch. It also uses ChatGPT API to bring access to the service to your Apple Watch. ChatGPT API isn't free, so the Watchgpt app isn't free like the ChatGPT website. It needs payment to work and is available for 349 rupees from App Store. What is Watchgpt? Watchgpt is a new app for the Apple Watch which aims to bring ChatGPT to Apple Watch. With this app, you can ask for anything to ChatGPT right from your app and get answers right on your wrist. You can even set an accompanying watch face for your Apple Watch. It is not an official app from the developers of ChatGPT OpenAI, instead is a third-party app developed by an independent developer, Hitte van der Ploeg. Watchgpt features. Interact with ChatGPT from your Apple Watch. Get answers to your questions and ask ChatGPT anything to do without typing. You can type a question or talk to it. Share the reply from ChatGPT right from Apple Watch via text, email or other apps. Set Watchgpt complications on your Apple Watch. Available in different languages, English, Dutch, French and Spanish. Does not collect any data. How to use ChatGPT on Apple Watch using Watchgpt. Here's how to use ChatGPT on Apple Watch. 1. Download Watchgpt on your Apple Watch from App Store. It costs 349 rupees. 2. Open the Watchgpt app on your Apple Watch. 3. Click the Ask Me Anything button. 4. You can type out the query you want to ask using the on-screen keyboard or the voice button to talk to it. 5. It will show the answers to your question in some time. 6. You can click on the Share button to share the answer with others. 7. You can also click on the Done button to start again. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please, if you love our video, click the like button, give us a thumb up, subscribe, share and drop a comment on the video you like to see next.